On May 26, 2023 in Harford County, Maryland, 38-year-old Michael Stevens II was released from the Harford County Detention Center after posting bail related to a theft charge. Later that same day, just down the road, Stevens came across a 1986 5-ton military truck sitting in a driveway and decided to steal the vehicle, triggering a pursuit unlike anything deputies had seen before.
Which way to go? Which way?
That way.
What's up, man? Were you the one that called?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I understand it's a military type vehicle?
Yeah, 5-ton. I probably have a picture of it somewhere.
Trying to get an updated location on it right now. Apparently, you might have crashed into somebody down in Bel Air.
Are you serious? Yeah.
Did you see a big green army truck? Did you see a big green army truck go by?
Excuse me, no speaking.
Okay.
Was it like keys in it or something? Or
So it doesn't take keys. It's a military vehicle, so there's no keys. It just has switches.
Okay.
So the doors don't lock, and there's no keys to operate it.
Okay.
And I thought he just walked up, to check the truck out.
Yeah.
And I came out of the house and I hear the truck running. So I said, Meredith, is your dad in the truck? And she goes, no, he's right here. Who is that? So I took off running up here. And he started to drive out the driveway. So I got to the end of the driveway and there was traffic coming, so he couldn't get out. And I jumped up on the running board of the truck and I was like, get out of my truck, who are you? And he pulled out and started swerving, trying to get me off the truck. And then I got off the truck and he came towards me head on.
Okay. You guys coming toward you?
Where we got it.
The vehicle deputies are following is a 5-ton military cargo truck originally built for the U.S. Army. Despite the name, a 5-ton truck actually weighs more than 10 tons by itself. The 5-ton rating refers to how much cargo it can carry off-road, not its own weight. These trucks were designed to move troops and equipment through rough terrain, and they're built to keep going, even when damaged. The frame and suspension are heavy, the drivetrain is built for torque, and the oversized tires are reinforced to survive long distances on uneven ground. All of that combines to make this pursuit unlike anything we've ever published in the entire history of this channel.
Somebody go 95 south at 152, just in case he hop on 95. I just want somebody to stay there with stop 6, just in case he gets on so we can deploy.
Anybody have stop 6 in the area?
Looks like he's going to take 95 south from 24.
Looks like he's taking 95 southbound from 24.
Hey, watch the back. It's going to be debris falling out the back of the bed.
My first stationary 152 and 95. He takes the ramp to 152.
Take it over his primary switch marks.
Is that right? I'm on it. Somebody get on 95 south just past 152 and somebody stay on 152.
We're lane 2, 95 south. 75 over 8.
Speed's at 55.
Speed's at 55.
Is somebody on 95 just past 152 or stop 6?
I'm 1153, 152 and 95. 31 and 1, so 195.
Yeah, get one unit on 95, and everybody that's behind them, let's try and slow the traffic if we can get the stop 6 deployed. I don't want this vehicle to hit anybody else. All right, we're coming up underneath of 152. If somebody's there with the stop 6, be ready.
No, we're coming up on the stop 6.
Coming up on stop 6.
Looks like you hit one time. See if you get ahead of him by about a mile. See if you get another stop 6.
Okay.
This is right.
say South 6 being deployed. Let's get that branch on.
Another set of South 6 deployed at branch on.
Stay up ahead to get on some South 6.
That's right, that's South 6.
Got jammed up. Well, he went on the shoulder as well. Nah, I tried to get him to go further. Just get past him again.
I believe he hit 5 minutes ago.
You guys, you believe he hit your South 6?
Yeah, the first time looked like one interior tire on the rear may be down, but he's got about 8. 10-4. Dispatch, speaking with the other caller, do we have any potential destinations?
Negative. He lives in Abingdon. He headed that way, but he's not going tomorrow.
Hey, be careful with those stop 6. He's coming over in the lanes.
Hey, just be ready to jump if he comes at us.
Watch yourself. Watch yourself. He might try and hit you. Get out the road. Get out the road. Get out the road.
Units are being deployed South 6. We're at 6804.
Temporary hill drives, just want to make sure. Recheck with the JFK, see if they can provide any assistance. We get 95 shut down completely.
We'll call them back, but I believe that they don't have any units.
We're at the express lanes at 67 over 7.
So we're entrance of express lane 67 or 7.
If we can get another unit up, a couple units up ahead with the stop 6, we'll head to Jersey Wall to keep y'all safe, and it's only 2 lanes a little further.
More units ahead, South 6.
We're 95 southbound, approaching 695, mile marker 66.
95 and 695, copy.
The 2 troopers ahead in the express lanes with South 6.
Temporary.
Oh, yes, he's crossing over local at 65 over 9. Southbound.
65 over 2.
Foxtrot, the unit behind us, still on the exit on back. Please, 164 close in. Moravia Horror, are you still up? Did you pass White Marsh yet?
We're past White Marsh, we're right at 695.
Okay, I'm going to pass out to the
Continuing 95 and 695 exit.
Yeah, just look, don't deploy any more South 6. Get towards him. Concrete bottom hits, and we have that effect on these tires.
10-4, do not deploy any more South 6.
Harper County Aviation to Harper County.
Alright, Foxtrot. I'm at 95 and 695. Where you guys at? I was directly behind you.
Are there any people down? Is this reference to a small vehicle?
This guy, he has a gun. He has a rifle, guys. Be cautious, like you should check right here. A rifle out of the driver's window here. Here in the black t-shirt. Here's a helicopter. Go ahead. It looks like a rifle here.
Unit 210, he has a rifle out the driver's side window.
With deputies reporting that the suspect now had a rifle hanging out the window, units ease off. The helicopter maintains visual from above, while Squad 1 follows at a distance as the truck exits the interstate and heads into a residential neighborhood. When the suspect slows at a light to make a left turn, deputies close back in.
Southbound conflict for plastic.
Unlock it. Undo the back. Right here. All right, he's going back. He's going back out to 40. He's going back out to 40.
Getting out. That way. Running down the alley.
Stop. Go. I got you. Hands, get on the ground. Stop. Drop it down. Get on the ground. Now. Hey, I got it. Stop reaching.
Oh, good. What's up, dude? Come on.
Ground patrol. What's your back?
Watch it.
Roll over.
Watch it. He's a good boy. Hey, watch it.
Turn around. To the side.
To it.
It's clean. Just stand him up. Stand up.
That's a good boy. Yeah, boy. Hey, sit. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Good job, brother. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good job.
Work, Tosh.
That's a first.
I haven't been back in the city since I left. Let's put in one of these cars. Got it now.
Hold on.
Well, I got all 4 tires.
I know.
I had all 4 tires. He was still going.
Let's get somebody out of the truck.
Yeah.
What happened? Huh? What just happened?
What do you mean, what happened?
You're running from us. For what? Well, you took a truck. I just got to have his in. I really was attentive to him.
That's a good boy.
Yeah, buddy.
That's a good job. What's up, brother? See ya. Thanks for coming out, brother.
Where'd they end up catching him on foot at?
Right there.
Down there?
Yeah, he jumped, he broke. They got him right at the mouth of the alley before he got out on Williams Island.
Was there any rifle in the truck? I thought
I
he was looking.
I looked real quick. I didn't see
No
it.
rifle? Okay.
I didn't see it.
Can I get some water? No.
Hold on, kick his shoes off first.
I don't even know what's going on. I swear I don't know what's going on.
Bro, good job, man. You saw what he did? Wow.
Hey,
Is he running towards us? He starts going like this.
Bro, you good?
Ugly dog. Oh, he started going like this.
I can't
He go under his shirt. So I backed out to the side. I'm sweating.
I don't got reception.
Nothing. But he kept underneath his shirt like he was pointing something. That's why I grabbed his hand. Because I couldn't see under the shirt, obviously. It could have been something small.
The suspect, Michael D. Stevens II, was taken into custody after the pursuit ended, fleeing on foot briefly before being stopped by deputies. Although deputies reported seeing a rifle during the chase, no weapon was found. Stevens was charged with multiple offenses, including first-degree assault, felony theft, and fleeing and eluding. The stolen military vehicle was returned to its owner, and no bystanders were injured throughout the pursuit. As of the latest available records, Stevens has not been sentenced in this case, and he is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.